Assalamu alaikum. Are you struggling with fatty liver disease and looking for a dietary solution? You are in the right place. Fatty liver disease affects millions of people worldwide, and while it can be a silent condition, it can lead to serious health complications if left unmanaged. The good news is that a well-structured diet can help to reverse, even prevent fatty liver disease. In this video, we shall share the perfect fatty liver diet plan packed with nutritious foods, tips and strategies to help you heal and restore your liver's health. From foods to avoid to superfoods to incorporate, we shall cover it all. So let's dive in and take the first step towards a healthier liver. In fatty liver disease, foods to eat: in leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens; in berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries; used to eat citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons; cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts; legumes, lentils, chickpeas and black beans; from whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread; from nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds; from fatty fish, salmons, sardines, tuna and trout; and also try to use avocados and olive oil for fatty liver disease. Foods to avoid for fatty liver disease: alcohol, added sugars, table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, refined carbohydrates, white bread, sugary snacks, saturated fats, red meat, full fat dairy, processed meats, fried foods, fried chicken, French fries and donuts, processed meat, hot dogs, sausage and bacons; from high in salt, canned soaps, frozen meals; from high sugar drinks, sodas, fruit juices and energy drinks. Additional tips for fatty liver disease: drink plenty of water, limit intake of saturated fats, choose lean protein sources, cook with healthy oils like olive oil, avoid excessive caffeine intake, and get regular exercise and physical activity. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet.